this is Elin. I am here in this beautiful forest in Sáhttá. This is the first day I've actually seen mosquitoes here, so summer has come. Well, is coming soon. The first mosquitoes are always huge. Oh. Well, anyway, I just wanted to let you know how excited I am about this new album that I will be releasing this year. The first single will be out in June, and I'm really excited about this album because I have been doing my best to put all my efforts into it. So it comes from a very deep place in my soul, kind of, and I feel it as it is my rebirth in many ways, because it's I don't know, it's hard to explain just in few words, but anyway, it's a very big deal for me to make this album. It feels like the biggest thing I have done in my life, and well, hopefully it will be the best, of course. But I really wanted to make a few music videos for some of the songs. I have already made one music video which I got funding for, and I want to make one or two more. So if you want to contribute to this, you can do it by pre-ordering my CD, so that you will get a CD, and I will have more funding to use on that kind of things. Or you can choose some of the other perks that I have put out there. So I want to say thank you beforehand if you choose to contribute, and I really hope you like my new album, because I'm really excited about how you will like it, but I really love it, so I hope you do too. Okay, have a nice spring and summer here from Sápmi. Bye. Oh, you can see the sun as well. Okay, bye.